Nouns and verbs word stress. Can you believe it? In English, most nouns are verbs. What? Yes, it's true. In this lesson, I'll explain why most nouns are verbs and why it's important. Words in the English language are just words until we decide how to use them. Understanding the role of a word is important for many reasons. Many words in English are spelled the same way but are pronounced differently. Remember that nouns refer to people, places, things, and ideas. Verbs refer to actions, states, and feelings. Like, love, and joy are verbs. The word like is used 6 different ways in the English language. Like is used as a verb, noun, preposition, conjunction, an adverb, and adjective. The good news is that the word like is always pronounced the same way. All single-syllable words in English are pronounced the same way. That's easy. 2-syllable words are pronounced differently depending on how they're used. For this exercise, I'll focus on 2-syllable noun and verb stress examples. 2-syllable nouns are stressed on the first syllable. Here's an example. A present. 2-syllable verbs are stressed on the second syllable. Here's an example. To present. Here are common noun and verb examples. A and N before nouns and to before verbs. An address. To address. A conflict. To conflict. A contest. To contest. A contrast. To contrast. A desert. To desert. A decrease. To decrease. A discount. To discount. A defect. To defect. An entrance. To entrance. An export. To export. An escort. To escort. An increase. To increase. An insult. To insult. An invite. To invite. An object. To object. A permit. To permit. A present. To present. A protest. To protest. A project. To project. A refund. To refund. A rebel. To rebel. A record. To record. A reject. To reject. A subject. To subject. A survey. To survey. A suspect. To suspect. An update. To update. An upgrade. To upgrade. An upset. To upset. Remember that most rules in the English language have exceptions. Practice speaking English daily with your friends and favorite resources. Teachers, for custom video, audio, or printed English lessons, contact us today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel.